Jute cultivation. Do's and don'ts. Health and environmental importance and demand for jute in Europe and America. Jute is a traditional and environmentally friendly cash crop. It is called golden fiber, which plays an important role not only in agriculture and industry, but also in protecting the environment and health. The demand for jute as a natural fiber is increasing worldwide, especially in environmentally conscious regions like Europe and America. Suitable environment for jute cultivation and do's and don'ts. Jute is usually a rainy season crop and grows well in humid climates. Fertile, well-drained loam or silt soil is suitable for this crop. Regular care and use of proper technology for cultivation help increase the quality and productivity of the crop. 1. Land preparation and sowing time. The land needs to be deeply cultivated for jute cultivation. It is important to keep the land weed-free and loose. Usually, the suitable time for sowing jute is in the months of March-April. The yield is higher if improved varieties are used, such as Sarjeti, Tosha, and KB varieties. 2. Seed sowing and spacing. Keeping the row-to-row distance of 25 to 30 centimeters and the plant-to-plant distance of 7 to 10 centimeters ensures that the plants get adequate light and air, which helps prevent diseases. 3. Fertilizer management. Organic fertilizers such as cow dung or compost, as well as urea, TSP, and MOP, should be applied at the required rate. This helps the plants grow quickly and improves the quality of the fiber. 4. Weed control and irrigation. Weeds need to be cleaned 2 to 3 times in the first 20 to 25 days. Irrigation should be given as needed during drought. If excess water accumulates, there should be a drainage system. 5. Disease and insect control. If leaf-wrapping insects, beetles, fungal diseases, etc. appear, organic insecticides or pesticides can be used. However, it is better to avoid the use of chemicals unnecessarily. 6. Harvesting and decomposition process. The plants mature in 60 to 120 days. After cutting the tree, it is put in a retting process to remove the fibers. When the fibers are decomposed in running clean water, they become bright and strong. Health and environmental importance. Although jute is not suitable for direct consumption, its indirect benefits are unique in protecting health and the environment. 1. Natural, non-toxic fibers. Jute is naturally produced and does not contain any harmful chemicals, so it is safe for the human body. It does not harm the skin when used in clothes, bags, or other items. 2. Environmental protection. Jute is biodegradable, meaning it easily mixes with the soil. It is used as an alternative to plastic, thus reducing plastic pollution. 3. Carbon dioxide absorption. Jute plants absorb a large amount of CO2 from the environment and release oxygen, which plays a role in preventing climate change. 4. Increasing soil fertility. Decomposing the plant residues after harvesting the jute crop increases the organic matter and fertility of the soil. 5. Farmer-friendly and public health-friendly. As less chemicals are used in jute cultivation, there is less health risk for farmers. At the same time, it is a sustainable source of livelihood. Demand for jute in Europe and America. The demand for jute products has reached new heights in the modern world due to the increasing trend towards using eco-friendly products. This demand is especially noticeable in Europe and America. 1. Environmental awareness and laws. The region has strict policies regarding environmental protection. With the ban on single-use plastics, the demand for jute bags, packaging, and home decor products has increased. 2. Demand for biodegradable products. Bags, ropes, mats, cushion covers, and clothing made from jute are very popular in Europe and America. It is eco-friendly, affordable, and attractive. 3. Fashion and lifestyle products. World-renowned brands are now making jute-based fashion products. Sales of products with the eco-friendly tag are increasing gradually. 4. Uses in agriculture and industry. Jute is used in agricultural materials, packaging, awnings, and home furnishings. In some countries, it is used in the automobile industry for soundproofing and interior parts. Export potential and economic importance. By ensuring advanced processing and quality production, jute has established itself as a sustainable export product in the global market. Products with advanced packaging, die-cut design, and eco-tags fetch higher prices in Europe and America. In addition, various countries are increasing investment in jute-based startups and environmentally friendly entrepreneurs, which is opening new doors in agricultural product exports. Conclusion: jute is not just a crop, it is a way of life, which has a positive impact on all levels: farmers, consumers, industry, and the environment. With modern technology and proper management, it is possible to transform this natural fiber into a global brand. The demand for jute in Europe and America is making the future of this crop brighter.